Once again, it's on, folks. It is time to open another box. And this one is my winnings from Cheryl Hirsch DIY Fun. But before I show you my winnings, which is a Afghan blanket, let's open my beer. And today's beer is Platypus from Connecticut. Shabine Brewing Company, 7.2 alcohol by volume. This one was sent to me by Quinn the Eskimo. They have skeeters. And I have my frosty glass from Maple House Knives out there in Germany. Folks, stay hydrated. Thank you, Queen the Eskimo, for this Sessions IPA. Smells good. Cheers, Queen the Eskimo, and thank you for the IPA. Man, you have good taste in beer, Quinn. Very nice. Alright folks, enough of that. Let's open my Afghan blanket from Cheryl Hirsch DIY Fun. This side is glued, so let's go for the other side. First and foremost, let's go for the note. Pretty cool. Thanks. Thankful, helpful, always there, nice, kind-hearted, supportive. Very good card. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. We really appreciate all our supporters. Enjoy hours of warmth. Cheryl, Chris, and Angel, and Brandon. Cool bean, very nice card. Okay, here are the care instructions, which I will keep. Yeah. Wow. Check this out, y'all. Check this beauty out, man. Wow. I had to get some help so we can extend this beautiful work of art from Cheryl Hirsch. Check it out, man. It is lovely indeed. Grab that end. Oh yeah, folks. Check that out. It is beautiful indeed. Wow. It is very beautiful and very well made. Cheryl Hirsch, you do beautiful work, man. I gotta say, this is one of the best. Well, this is the only one that I own. Cabot Bluegill also made one. It's a different style though, but it's just as pretty. I own one of his little, like a little throw, you know what I mean? But this one is very beautiful. My wife is already loving it. Thank you, Cheryl Hirsch DIY Fun. I appreciate all the work that you put into it, and I'm glad that I won it. Folks, I'll leave a link to Cheryl Hirsch DIY Fun. Check her out, watch her videos, sub. Cheers, Cheryl. Very nice beer, man. I gotta say, it's one of the best IPAs I have tasted in a while. Alright folks, I thank you again, Cheryl Hirsch, for this beautiful Afghan blanket. I'll see you guys in the next video.